You must be Rainer Given Turnip, right?
Good morning, Mr. Aga. Yes, that's me. Thank you so much for having me today.
Of course. Did you find the office okay? I know our building can be a little tricky at location.
It was just fine actually. I looked it up the night before, so I knew exactly where to go. It's a really nice area.
Great. Glad to hear that. Can I get you some water before we begin?
I'm all good, thank you. I'm ready whenever you are.
Okay. Well, let's get started. I'm Aga Fendi Rahman, the HR manager here at Novatech. Today, we'll talk about your background, your experience, and see if you be a great fit for our digital marketing manager role. Sound good?
Absolutely. I'm really excited about this opportunity.
Let's start with classic question. Can you tell me a little bit about yourself and your professional background?
Sure. My name is Rainer Given Turnip. I graduated with a degree in communication from Gajah Mada University about 5 years ago. After graduating, I joined a mid-sized digital agency in Jakarta where I spent 3 years managing social media and paid advertising campaigns for various clients, mostly in e-commerce and lifestyle sectors. 2 years ago, I moved in an in-house role at a startup as their sole marketing lead. That experience really pushed me to develop a wide range of skills, from content strategy and SEO to analytics and team coordination. I feel like I'm at a point in my career where I'm ready to lead a larger team and work and more complex data-driven campaign, which is exactly what drew me to this position at Novatech.
That's a solid background. Managing marketing on your own at a startup sounds like quite a challenge.
It definitely was, but it also taught me a lot about prioritizing and being resourceful. You learn quickly when you are the only one making decisions.
I love that mindset. So, what specifically attracted you to Novatech?
Honestly, I've been following Novatech for about 2 years now. I was really impressed by how you repositioned your brand last year. The campaign around the product launch was bold and creative, and it clearly resonated with the market. I also noticed that you've been growing your regional presence across Southeast Asia, which is exactly the direction I want to grow in professionally. Beyond that, from what I've read and heard, Novatech genuinely invests in its people, which matters a lot to me. I want to be somewhere when there's room to grow and contribute meaningfully, not just execute tasks.
That's very thoughtful. It's always nice to meet candidates who've actually done their homework. Let's talk more about your specific skills. This role requires strong experience in both performance marketing and brand strategy. How do you balance the two?
That's a great question because they really do require different modes for thinking. Performance marketing is a very analytic. You're constantly looking at numbers, optimizing for ROI, tweaking ad spend. Brand strategy, on the other hand, is more low term and emotional. You're thinking about perception, storytelling, and consistency. In my experience, the best campaign find a way to connect both, where you use brand messaging to build trust and performance tool to convert that trust into action. I always make sure my team understand the brand voice before launching any paid campaign, because even a highly optimized ad can damage your brand if it doesn't feel authentic.
That's a major perspective. What tools and platforms are you most comfortable working with?
I've worked extensively with Google Ads, Meta Ads Manager, and TikTok for Business. For analytics, I use Google Analytics 4 and Looker Studio to build reporting dashboards. I also use HubSpot for CRM and email marketing, and I'm comfortable with SEO tools like SEMrush and Ahrefs. I'm always keeping up with new platforms. I believe that is part of the job in this industry.
Well said. What would you say is your greatest strength as a marketing professional?
I think it's my ability to connect data with storytelling. A lot of marketers are strong on one side or the other. Either they're very creative or very analytical. I work hard to develop both, and I think that allow me to make better strategic decisions and communicate them effectively to both my team and upper management.
And your greatest weakness?
I used to struggle with delegating. I had this tendency to want to handle things myself to make sure they were done a certain way. But I've come to realize that holding on too tightly actually slows the team down and prevents people from growing. Over the past years, I've been very intentional about trusting my team more, giving clear briefs and stepping back. It makes a real difference both in output and team morale.
That's great self-awareness. We're almost done. Do you have any questions for me about the role and the company?
Yes, a couple actually. First, what does success looks like in the first 90 days for this role? And second, what's the structure of the marketing team I'd be joining?
Those are great questions. In the first 90 days, we want to get deeply familiar with our brand, our audience, and our current campaigns, and by day 60, start contributing to strategy. As for the team, you'll be leading a team of 4, a content specialist, an SEO analyst, a paid ad specialist, and a designer. It's a think night collaborative group.
That sounds like exactly the kind of environment I thrive in. Thank you for clarifying it.
Of course, well, Rainer, it's been a real pleasure speaking with you today. I've been in touch within the week regarding the next steps. We have a couple more interviews to conduct, but let's start. We'll follow up promptly.
Thank you so much, Mr. Raga. I truly enjoyed our conversation and I'm very enthusiastic about the possibility of joining Novatek. I look forward to hearing from you.
Take care, Rainer. We'll be in touch soon.
Thank you and have a wonderful day.